Hi, my name is Monica Garcia, and today I'm going to be telling you an adapted fable called The Lion and the Mouse. This fable is adapted from Aesop's Fable, and I hope you enjoy. So one day, there was a mighty lion who was taking a nap under a shady tree. And as he was napping, there were some little mice that came and crawled over him to get to their home. The mice woke him, and he ended up using his paw to trap one of the mice. And he picked up that mouse, and he was angry with the mouse, and he was going to eat the mouse. And the mouse begged for his life, and he said, "Please just let me go. If you let me go, I promise I can return the favor." And the mouse said, "You? How can you, little you, help me, a mighty lion?" And the mouse begged and begged for his life, and the lion pitied him, so he let him go. So later that day, the lion was walking, and he actually walked over a trap that was set up by some hunters. The trap was made of thick rope, and the ropes pulled the lion up high up into the tree. So the lion was very upset, and he was roaring and asking for help. And the little mouse heard the roar, and he ran, and he used his teeth to gnaw through the thick rope, and he set the lion free. And the lion was forever grateful for the little mouse, and he learned that not to judge anybody by their size or their appearance, and that it's good to help others. So I hope that you learned something from this story as well. Have a great day.